Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active. Turn them on now. Open Settings, tap Google, then Device Connections and choose Nearby Share to start. Once done, set your device visibility to Contacts, Everyone, or Hidden so the receiving laptop can see you. Make sure to confirm device name and 4 GHz versus 5 GHz network behavior. Nearby Share prefers a direct route and may switch automatically. Now choose a file. Right-click or use Share from Files, and pick Nearby Share as the target. You'll see nearby devices listed. Select the receiving laptop when it appears. Next, choose Data Usage. Wi-Fi only is fastest and avoids mobile charges. Wi-Fi and mobile data lets the connection fall back, and offline creates a direct peer connection. Once you initiate, the receiving laptop shows a prompt. Accept it. If you plan multiple files, queue them now. Nearby Share batches transfers. While transferring, do not suspend either laptop. Keep screens on and stay within a few meters for best throughput. When the transfer completes, the receiving laptop saves to Downloads or your chosen folder. Open the file to verify integrity. If the transfer stalls or fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, then re-enable Nearby Share visibility. This often resolves discovery and handshake issues. Make sure both devices run current system updates and avoid VPNs or strict firewalls during transfer. If problems persist, restart both laptops and try again. That clears lingering connections and usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.